Welcome to Shaped by the Land, where nature meets the city. Welcome to Shaped by the Land. Today we will be exploring this island's vision and necessity. Welcome to Shaped by the Land. Jurong Lake Gardens is Singapore's 19-hectare national garden in the heartlands, featuring scenic lakeside, Chinese and Japanese gardens. It is a people's garden, offering nature trails, play areas like Forest Rumble and iconic waterfront views. Jurong Lake Gardens is Singapore's first national garden in the heartlands, serving as a 90-hectare green anchor for the surrounding residential and industrial areas. It drives urban development by transforming an industrial concrete-centric zone into a biodiversity-rich city in nature, integrating blue-green spaces with residential, recreational, and commercial infrastructure. Welcome to Mount Faber Park. Mount Faber is one of Singapore's oldest hilltop parks, offering large nature, panoramic city views, and a cable car link to Sentosa Island. Famous for the Henderson Waves Bridge, it serves as a scenic gateway with dining options at Faber Peak. Mount Faber is vital to Singapore's development, transforming from a 19th century maritime signal station and fort to a key urban green space. As one of the oldest parks, opened in 1965, it acts as a starting point of the southern regions, linking urban teas with nature through connected trails. Geographically, it serves as a 106-meter-high scenic viewpoint and a crucial tourism hub, housing the cable car system that connects the mainland to Sentosa Island. Welcome to the Marina Barrage. Opened in 2008, Marina Barrage is a Singaporean engineering marvel that serves as a 3-in-1 destination. It is the city's 15th reservoir for water supply, a vital tidal barrier for flood control, and a popular recreational spot with a green roof for picnics and kite flying. Marina Barrage transformed Singapore's geography by damming the Marina Channel to create a 15th freshwater city reservoir. It drives urban development by providing flood control for low-lying downtown areas like Chinatown, Geylang, and acts as a vibrant waterfront recreational hub, enhancing urban livability and sustainability. Welcome to Little Guilin, a scenic park in Singapore featuring dramatic granite rock formations set within a lake, closely resembling the crest landscapes of Guilin, China. Once an abandoned quarry, it was transformed in the 1980s into a serene park perfect for nature walks and photography, located just a 5-minute walk from Bukit Gombak MRT. Little Guilin represents a transformation of a 1950s-70s granite quarry into a beautiful piece of geographical art, marking the transition from industrial resource extraction to an urban recreational space. It is a key example of sustainable urban redevelopment where disused industrial land was rehabilitated and integrated into Singapore's HDB residential planning.